Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa sallim. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about al-dhama'ir, which means pronouns. The mufrad of dhama'ir, the singular of dhama'ir in Arabic is known as dhamir, which means pronoun. And al-dhama'ir means pronoun. And today, we are going to talk about dhama'ir and its classification. Al-dhama'ir, pronouns, is classified into two classifications. It has two categories. So it is classified into two classification. The first classification is ad-damir al-mufassila. It means detached pronoun. And the second classification is known as ad-damir al-muttasila, which means attached pronouns. So today we are going to talk going to talk about detached pronoun today. So in our next class, we are going to talk about the attached pronoun and how they are being used in sentences. We have al-dhama'ir al-munfasila, which means detached pronouns. And this dhama'ir al-munfasila is defined as pronouns which are written separately from other words. So it means that these pronouns are not written with other words, are not joined with other words. So they are written independently and they are not joined with other words. It's known as ad-dama'ir al-munfasila, which means detached pronouns. So and these pronouns these pronouns. So to make it easier for you, I classify it into three classifications. I classify this detached pronoun. I classify it into three classifications to make it easier for you. So we have al-dhama'ir lil-mufrad. We have singular pronouns. And singular pronouns, these are the singular pronouns. Ana, I. I. I is used for both male and female in Arabic. So for example, let's say I am Abdul Ghaffar. I will say Ana. So let's assume I'm Fatima. I am Fatima. So I will still use Ana. So Ana, I will use Ana for both. Let's say I'm Abdul Ghaffar, I will say Ana. I am Fatima. I will still also say Ana. So then we have Anta. So anta is for which means you. We use it for male. You, anta. So for example, this is Muhammad. I'll say Muhammad, aina anta. Muhammad, where are you? Because Muhammad is masculine. Because Muhammad is a male, so I will use anta. Anti is used for female. Anti is used for female and it means you. Anti, you. So I can say Aina Anti Ya Fatima. Where are you, Fatima? Anti. So now we have Huwa. This Huwa is used for both living things, for both human and non-human being. So if for example I can say Huwa. Huwa aina Muhammad? Where is Muhammad? I will say Huwa fil bayt. Muhammad is in the house. Muhammad is in the house. And if I say aina al masjid, where is the mosque? I will say al masjid fi hayy al matar. The mosque is in the airport. So now we use huwa. Huwa, it means he or it. So if the noun for human being, if a noun refers to human being, refers to a male, if a noun refers to a male, so we use he. So if a noun refers to human being and the human being is a male, we use he. But if it refers to non-human being and that noun does not have any identifications of feminine, because in Arabic we have identifications of feminine. I mean indications. What are the indications of feminine? How do you identify feminine? So mostly we do identify feminine in Arabic language, a feminine word, a feminine noun in Arabic language when that noun contains ta al marbuta, which is known as closed ta. So we have two ta in Arabic. We have ta al maftuha, which is open ta, and we have ta al marbuta, which is closed ta. So this closed ta, when it is found at the end of any noun, so that noun is considered to be feminine. But if the noun is devoid of this cluster, I mean, if the noun does not carry this cluster, so that noun is considered to be masculine. To be masculine. So we still have another indications of feminine. We have alful makura and we have alful mamduda, which you are going to learn that later. So as a beginner, this is what you need now. So you just know that huwa is he and it. Now we have here, which means she. So if a noun refers to if a noun refers to a feminine, so you use here. For example, Hayna Maryam. Where is Maryam? You can say here she. Here fil masjid. She is in the mosque. So, but if a noun too is if a noun does not refer to human being and that noun is has the identification or has the indications of feminine, so we still use here. So for example, as I said now, that when a noun contains ta al marbuta, has a cluster, so that noun is considered to be feminine. For example, let's use al madrasatu as an example because madrasatu is a feminine, whereas madrasatu is feminine. أين المدرسة? We say here, it. Here, here, work. It is there. It is there. So we use these singular pronouns in sentences for better understanding. Example, al anta muslimun? You are Muslim. So na'am ana muslimun. I am a Muslim. And as I said that ana, it can be used for male or female. So now here we have al anti muslimatun. Are you a Muslim? Actually, Muslimat, we use anti here. We should know that we are actually referring to female Muslim. So, but in English, we are just say you are just going to say, "Are you a Muslim?" Then naam ana muslimatun. I am a Muslim. So, as I said, that ana is used for both male and female. Then we have al huwa muslimun. Is he a Muslim? So huwa Muslim. Is he a Muslim? Naam, yes. Huwa Muslimun. Yes, he is a Muslim. So I'm supposed to write here. So he is a Muslim. So other example, al huwa masjidun. Is it a mosque? So masjidun is a masjidun is a masculine noun. So then, because it doesn't have any indication of feminine, so it's considered to be masculine now. So therefore, we use huwa. It's al huwa masjidun. We use huwa. Is it a mosque? Naam huwa masjidun. Yes, it is a mosque. Then al hiya muslimatun. Here is for muannas, she. Then is she a Muslim? Naam hiya muslimatun. Yes, she is a Muslim. Hal hiya madrasatun? Is it a school? Because madrasatun here has the indication of feminine, which is tita al marbut or this closed ta. So therefore, we are going to use here, which is means for which is here is for use for feminine pronoun. So we now say hiya madrasatun. Is it a school? Naam hiya madrasatun. Hiya madrasa. Al hiya madrasa. Al hiya madrasatun. Is it a school? Yes. Naam hiya madrasa. Yes, it is a school. Because this madrasatun, yeah, this madrasa it has ta al marbuta, which means cluster, and cluster is one of the indication of feminine. So therefore, we are going to use here. So we move to the next uh, classification, which we have uh, الضمائر للمثنى, which means dual pronouns. Dual pronouns. And dual pronouns we have antuma, you. So we use antuma for both male and female, and we use it for two people, for both male and female. Antuma, you. So then we have huma, they. So we use it for two people. So for whether they are males or they are females. So we use huma, they. Then we have nahnu, which is means we. So we also use for two people too. We have nahnu. We use nahnu for two people or more. So two people or more, two people or three people or more. So we use nahnu. So it depends. If I say if we are two, for example, okay, ayina and someone asked me a question that ayina antuma. We say antuma is for two. This antuma is for two people. Where are you? Then we now say nahnu, we. Say nahnu fil masjidi, we are in the mosque. So nahnu is used for both males and females. Yes, these are the examples. So for example, man antuma, who are you? I said nahnu taliban, we are students. So because two, it means that two males. Nahnu taliban, we are two students. But in Arabic, if we have alif and noon is added, if alif and noon are added to a singular noun, so it makes the noun to be jua. So or ya or noon, if alif and noon or ya and noon is added, if alif and noon or ya and noon are added to singular noun, it make the singular noun to be jua. So now, so man antuma, who are you? Nahnu taliban, we are students. So two males. Now man antuma, who are you? Who are you? Man antuma, who are you? Nahnu talibatan, we are students. So I say we use nahnu for both male and female. So talibatan, so there is none here. So the nun is omitted. So there is none here. So talibatani, we are two students. So talibatu is muannath. So I explain now that when alif and noon or ya and noon is added to a singular pronoun, so it make the pronoun to be jua. Inshallah, we are going to discuss in our coming classes, inshallah. So this is another example. Men huma, men huma, who are they? Men huma, who are they? Huma tabiban, they are doctors, and we actually referring to two males because tabib is a male doctor. So, and as I explained that when we had alif and noon, it's make a noun to be jua. Then we are not talking about two doctors. They huma and they, so they are doctors. So men huma, who are they? Huma tabibatan, they are two female doctors. So now they are doctors means two female doctors. So tabibatu is a female doctor. We use huma, they, for two people, for both males and female. Then we move to the last stage or last classification, which is domain jamu, plural pronouns. So we have whom. Whom means they, and we use it for males. Whom they, if there are more than two, from three and above, we use whom they. We have hunna, we use for females. If there are more than two, we use for female, we use they. Now we have antum, you. So which is we use it for more than two males. Antum, you. We have antunna, which means you also, but we use it for more than two females. And also we have nahnu, we still have nahnu, we. We also use nahnu for three people or more. So we can use nahnu for two people, we can use nahnu for three people, so or more. So then nahnu, we. So males, we use for both males and females. We use these plural pronouns in sentences. So for better understanding, as I said earlier, we, for example, now the first example is Aina antum, where are you? So that's more than two males. Say Nahnu fil bayt, we are in the house. Then Aina antunna, where are you? So we use it for more than two females. So when I say Nahnu fil bayt, we are in the house. So Ainahum, where are they? So we use for more than two. This home we use for more than two males, and it means they. Where are they? Hum fil bayt. They are in the house. Then we have Ainahunna. Where are they? So we use for more than two females. Hunna fil bayt. They are in the house. So this inshallah, these are the pronouns. These are the detached pronouns, which means pronouns that are not joined with other words. So, and hope you understand it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel. So, to our channel, inshallah, we are going to talk about the attached pronouns in our next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.